Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. You know, not too early, but we're heading to pour some concrete with my cousin Frank today. So, we're heading to Sheetz right now. We're gonna get some coffee and water. Well, we don't need water, but we're gonna get some coffee because I always start my day out with some caffeine, get me in the right headspace because I'm tired, man. I don't know why, but alright. See you at Sheetz. Oh man, alright, got the coffee, got a Red Bull. It's my breakfast. This is what I eat every day for breakfast. That, we're ready to roll. And we're gonna go pour some concrete with Frankie. This is gonna be a fun one. We got like 6 different pours to do all over the place on 3rd Street. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be running around all day long, getting this around. So see you at the job site. All right, at the job here, getting out of the whip. My truck, Frank's truck, job site, job site, job site, job site. A lot of stuff going on here. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta put a little piece of
Little
wire in there.
That, dude, I should do that with my brush. I stripped mine too. Look at that. Good as new.
Good as new.
Here's one. Yep. The other day came and resurfaced these steps. Look at that. It's already all dirty. Wonder who did that. I don't know. But yeah, look at that. Professional stuff right there.
You could probably like cut it like 16 inches, 2 foot. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Protecting stuff.
Don't put my knife blade in your
Okay, we're all ready, got all the plastic up, and we gotta wait on concrete for, you know, because we're getting 2nd round. That's anywhere from 9 to 1 p.m. So we're going to get some bagels at Bloomin' Bagels. We got the bullshit grinder here, Pat made.
fucking grinding.
Woo! Woo!
Almost getting shit done. Almost.
Working hard today. Yeah, sandwiches, sitting down. It is a struggle. It's not even sunny out. It's kind of cool. So it's just like a really good temperature. Got some breakfast. I don't know how we're gonna work in these conditions. I'm gonna have to probably go home. 10 o'clock, concrete showed up. Starting down here. Got a little thing going on. Alrighty, we got the first one down. One down, bottom of the hill, going up to the next stream. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, look at him go. Stroke, 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 smoke. There you go. Get it going, Reggie. You got it. Don't cover my line. You're good.
Another one down. Full floated that. Oh, I gotta grab my stuff. Go to the next one up the hill. Leave the sprayer here. On to the next pour. All over the place today. So that was number 3. We got 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 separate pours going down the road. So we're really spread out here. That one's all bull floated. Just poured that one. Me and Reggie wheeled all this in. Bull floated that. Got 3 more spots to go. This is never ending concrete pour. So got it all poured, all these. They're all bull floated. Already finished a couple of them up here. So we've been edging everything and it's going really smooth. Got nothing really blowing up on us yet. Those two are done up top. We're starting to edge this one now. It's in the shade, so it's not blowing up on us like those were. Finally all done after all these different pours.
2023 concrete pour.
Yeah.
Concrete pour tour.
Yeah, all over the road here. Got that all done. I don't even know how many there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 different locations, something like that, maybe 10, I don't know. Lot to keep track of. All right, we stripped everything, cleaned all the forms, got all the concrete tools loaded up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go unload them all at Frank's house and then come back and load up all the forms we stripped off. And then we're gonna get the AK-47 and lawn chairs and a 12-pack and guard this all night long till it's hard enough to walk on. All the forms picked up, everything's done, caution taped off, all that good stuff, and that's it for the day pretty much. Now we're gonna babysit it. Woo! All right, we're out here. We're guarding the whole street. We got caution tape everywhere. We got, what are these called?
Commas.
We got commas. We got guns. We got a pellet gun. We're gonna shoot somebody with a pellet gun. Nobody's walking in our concrete. So that is it for the day. Everything's safe and sound. We're gonna leave Reggie here overnight with the commas so nobody walks through our stuff. But yeah, all done. What a day, and thanks for watching.